Hi guys. I ran to Ikea this weekend because I needed to pick up a couple of things, and I was excited to see that they actually had the Halloween stuff. Now I saw a few weeks ago on YouTube that IKEA was having Halloween stuff this year, and I went to IKEA and they didn't have it, so I was really disappointed. But luckily, when I was there this weekend, they did have it, and I think they pretty much had everything except for one of the pillow covers, the skeleton one. It looked like it was gone, so sold out, I assume. But really cute stuff. I ended up getting. I just got one of the little jack-o'-lantern tea light holders, the metal one with the black outside and the orange inside. So super cute. I wanted to get a lot more stuff, but can't justify all of it. So I just got something small. Now, as I understand it, this is the first year that they've had Halloween stuff. So hopefully they'll continue to have more and super fun stuff in the future.
Last one of these. I need to get it. Anyways,
So I think that,
this is cute.
being that this is IKEA's first attempt at Halloween
Already sold, it looks
inventory, I think it's really great. I mean, really cute stuff. Some of it's a little pricey though. There's some pillows at the end of the video that the ghost pillows are pretty small and they're $10 each. And then just like the black circular cushiony type pillow is $14, I think. So that was a little pricey, but the tea light holders are decent price, and the neon lights and that kind of thing. I don't think that they're bad. But you guys let me know what you think in the comments. Do you think that these are good deals, or do you think that the price point could be better? And don't forget to subscribe if you aren't already, so you don't miss any of my Halloween hunting for the season. Because yeah, I have a few videos that I'm preparing for this week already, and I saw some really great stuff at some different stores. So I appreciate your watching, and let me know what you liked in the comments below. I will see you next time. Thank you. Bye.
Looks like they're out of these. That's cute.
I don't know if you want. Do you want me to get you an extra one? It's only $5. Okay.